We can run away. You say you want to. You wanna go back, wanna go back. You wanna go back to a place where we can hide. You wanna stay there, wanna stay there. You wanna stay there, we can leave it, pay me high.
Alright, so you didn't miss much. We are in Pittsburgh now. We left Ohio yesterday. That's what you guys saw yesterday. And now today we're in the Berg. We are here to get Project Eclipse. I had to stop at Home Depot to get some last minute things, make sure that everything is going to be up and right for the Eclipse. I bought a battery yesterday. So we'll go back, we'll put it together, get her fired up, and we'll go from there, get her back home too. Okay, so I'm back now. I'm in the garage. I'm standing in front of Project Eclipse. Good news, bad news. So if you guys remember, we did the Project Eclipse episode probably about 2 months ago. And we got the car fired up. We had to jump it, battery was dead. Car started up and we were driving it around my neighborhood. Everything was good. Ran into a problem as we were going through. The second and the fourth cylinders stopped firing. Completely rewired all the ignition from the ignition harness all the way through the spark plugs. The whole wiring got redone. Go to start the car. Obviously I bought a battery, put a battery in, started it. The car starts and it runs. Great. Bad news. The fuel pump is spewing fuel everywhere. Not good. This is very sketchy too because the battery is located right next to the fuel pump. But there's the fuel pump, and the second we turn this car on, you can even see the fuel residue all over that. The second we turn the car on, it just starts spewing fuel. And the weird part is that this nylon line, which is a heavy duty nylon line, is actually, the fuel is actually coming out of the nylon. Not a good sign there. The plan right now is, I don't know if I'm going to rewire this because I don't like dealing with fuel lines, but might not do it right now. Eventually I'm going to do it. I've got my trailer here, so I'll probably try to get the car on the trailer, take it back to my place, back home, and try to rewire it. In the meantime, I think we just call it a day here and get the car loaded up. Not really sure. I guess we'll find out. Damn. It's really sketchy though, like I said, because the battery is right next to the fuel line. So like the moment a spark happens, it's gonna go up in flames. Not a good idea.